Passionate educationist Dr. Joseph VG. A great leader's courage to fulfill his vision comes from passion, not position. This quote of John C. Maxwell is apt and fitting for the inspirational personality of Dr. Joseph VG, who hails from a small hamlet of Karnataka and rose to build one of India's finest education conglomerate, the Garden City Group of Institutions. As the founder, Chancellor of Garden City University, and also holding the position of the Honorary Council of the Republic of Maldives in Bangalore, Dr. Joseph VG is a very passionate educationist. A good learner will always become a good teacher. A good teacher only can become a good educationist. A good educationist is the ultimate nation builder. Dr. Joseph is a persona who has excelled in all the above phases. He owes a lot to his teacher, who was a master storyteller in making him a good learner. His memories of childhood in the company of this teacher are what he cherishes even today. His signature mark of a great ambience and the best of infrastructure at his institutions is perhaps on account of the hardships that he encountered during his school days. He recalls a school with hardly any classrooms and one single teacher for the entire school. Born in the cradle of Karnataka's literature capital, Tirthahalli of Shimoga, which has been home to the likes of Gnanapita awardee Kuvempu and many such literates, Dr. Joseph's love for teaching and academics is not a surprise at all. His transformation into a passionate educationist is based on a very simple fact. There is no second thought in what he takes up. It's always unconditional love on the task that is taken up, however small or big it may be. It is a rarity to see such a zealous individual. While it is established that he was an exemplary learner, what he has cultivated is the practice of exemplary common sense. In his journey to establish himself, the courage to experiment and the aura that he had to visualize is commendable. On discovering that education is one of the greatest enablers in building a nation, he pursued to become the perfect educationist by establishing the Garden City Education Trust on 27th February 1992. 28 years hence, the mammoth of Garden City Group of Institutions has today gifted the best of learning possible to over 40,000 students drawn from across 80 nations worldwide and almost every city of India. With the seed sown in the form of an education trust, the first academic activity that Dr. Joseph delved into was technology education, which was a new fad in the early 90s. Within no time, he sought affiliation from Bangalore University and commenced highly skilled and job-oriented courses such as BSc Computer Science and Bachelor of Hotel Management, which otherwise did not have institutions that sported good infrastructure. There was no looking back when it came to infrastructure and quality, and thus Garden City College grew to become one of India's most sought-after college that offered niche courses and assured placements. The college went on to grab several accolades both nationally and in the international arena. The institutions were graded as A by the country's premier accrediting agency, the National Assessment and Accreditation Council. The sheer merit of the institutions run by Dr. Joseph made way to Garden City College being transformed into Garden City University. His impeccable planning and tireless observations with reasoning is how Garden City University has been able to structure best practices that are seen in universities world over. Dr. Joseph has traveled extensively, and every trip of his to any international destination has always been with a single agenda of what could be the learning from those universities. There is a definite goal that the university has aimed at, and appreciations have poured in from all corners to the extent of being called the most promising university in the recent past. The motto of the university, emphasis on life, says it all when it comes to the meticulous execution of activities at the university. Dr. Joseph truly involves himself in letter and spirit in the functioning of the university, and his indomitable leadership has put the university on the world map. Strongly believing that education has no boundaries is the primary reason that his institutions have been able to garner students from across the world. Carefully chosen programs with the right combination of subjects to study and the perfect blend of industry modules have made the products of Garden City Group of institutions to shape fantastic careers. None of this happened just like that. It is the toil of an individual in the past 3 decades that today more than 1,500 employees directly and close to 5,000 families indirectly earn their bread through the Garden City Group of institutions. He always quotes in his words, "It may even be easier to count the hair on his head when compared to the humiliation and hardship that he has encountered." Keeping up the pace always, retaining the passion irrespective of any situation are like the carvings on a rock for Dr. Joseph that can never be erased. He puts the philosophy of life in 3 simple Kannada words, Anumana, Apamana and Bahumana. There are many ways to put these words in perspective. Dr. Joseph, in his approach, explains Anumana as the spirit of inquiry, Apamana as the hardships that one faces in a task, and Bahumana, the appreciations that one tends to gain on successful completion of a task. Ultimately, his philosophy boils down to a simple theory, which is to have unconditional love for whatever work one takes up. At his institutions, apart from the learning ambience that one gets to experience, the students are treated to what is called the joy of learning. Every course, every module that is offered as a learning to the student is packed with this component to increase retention values, to get rid of rudimentary learning methods and enhance the learner's interest. When learning involves case studies, the opportunity to select multiple skills and understanding the learning outcome in advance puts the student onto a different pedestal, and the reciprocation is worth the initiative. Today's world requires more go-getters and people with extremely positive attitude, and the best way to meet the demand is bringing forth quality education on the table. Dr. Joseph epitomizes the quality benchmark that the country needs today, and his institutions speak volume on how the exercise of nation building is seeing its fruits here. Dr. Joseph and his visionary plans are not just a treat to the ears, it is to the eyes as well, as the new campus of Garden City University is shaping. His tagline of creating dreamers, achievers, and winners will take on a new shape with the establishment of the new university campus that would not depend on the fee of students, which will be first of its kind in the world. His dream of having every student to get free education while the employment hub created around the 150-acre university campus would support the operations. Dr. Joseph has the courage to become a change maker, and his life story is an inspiration to all. From humble beginnings to build a world-class institution in the span of 28 years is a testament that hard work, commitment, and dedication will always bear fruits of success. Hope this brief insight into the passionate educationist is inspiring and motivating. Let's adopt all those good things that Dr. Joseph has brought about in the field of education and find our passion in life just like Dr. Joseph VG. Thank you. Voice by Yashaswini.